What's going on, my beautiful family? Back at it again. I'm sorry I haven't posted anything in a while, man. Just been facing through some rough times. Overcoming it though, trials and tribulations is just, temptation is serious. It's just crazy how much obstacles are getting thrown at us. Hey, but it's part of life. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. I do appreciate you guys for the love and support. Also, those who are new, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Those that are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell and that like button also. I'm here sitting outside of the Dollar General. I wanted to see how much they have been affected, through everything that's been going on. The shortages on food, empty shelves, um, price inflation as well. Let's see how much their prices have gone up. See if they got any food here as they used to offer. But I do appreciate you guys, man. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and how was your Easter as well? Stay tuned. I'm about to walk you through this Dollar General. It's right here in Centerville Highway in Snellville. Also, that is the location of this Dollar General. Stay tuned. I'm about to walk with you guys on this. Well, as you guys can see, that they are very limited on the milk. Their gallons cost $3.75 here, a gallon. On the Blue Cap, the same thing, $3.75. But they do have some empty spots and empty shelves. Yeah, man. They are struggling to maintain water, I see. They got these carts here, but I'm pretty sure they are done stocking up. Dasani, pack of Dasani, $5 a pack for a 24 pack of bottled waters. That is crazy. That is insane how much that price has increased. That price inflation is crazy. Just crazy how everything's going, how shortages and limited of supplies on things is going around and being affected. I've heard all the Walmarts are closing here short. I heard all the Walmarts were closing here shortly. Some stores, and that's just across the country, that they were shutting down certain stores in certain states, a certain amount that they were starting to shut down. The big box stores. So just thought I'd share that with you guys as well. But yeah, man, this store is really hit. But actually, $3.30 for a loaf of bread. Cinnamon rolls, 2 for $6. Wow. Or 1 for $4. That is crazy. $3 each for this size bag, people. Or 2 for $5. So they have this 6-pack of Vienna sausages for $3.85. That's a lot. It's a big old increase. Price inflation is real here. And you would figure that if you was on a budget, you would be able to come and shop here because it is the Dollar General. But man, it is crazy. Look at this high-end ketchup right here for $3.58. Look at this mayonnaise, $4.75. But the non-brand, $1. That is crazy. Crazy how these prices have increased. How inflation is real. How empty shelves here at this Dollar General has been affecting the stores as well. I'm pretty sure everything has went up in price, so it's probably been difficult for people to be able to purchase stuff because of the increase of taxes. I mean, it's just crazy. It is crazy how everything's just got a domino effect to it. But they do have the core stuff. Look at this, people. The dog aisle. The animal aisle, actually. Sorry about that. For those that have fur babies, they are very limited on supplies of dog food and cat food. Seems like their toilet paper and paper towels have been hit as well. Also, houseware stuff like paper plates, paper cups, empty shelves on this side as well. Well, there you have it, family. I just came out of there. You saw what you saw. You saw the empty shelves, food shortages as well. You know, you would figure you could come to a Dollar General on a budget for those that are struggling a little bit to buy some food, you know, other than these big brand name grocery stores, you know. Try to get by, and you can't. I mean, one, they're short on stuff. Two, stuff has increased, you know. Prices have increased tremendously across the board. It's just crazy. It's like, man, people are going to start struggling to buy food here shortly. You know, I do recommend you start prepping. I do say that, definitely. And get ahead of this curve that's coming up. You know, I mean, it's getting less and less stock shelves, I'll tell you that. The more I keep going out, the more you see, and the price increases as well. And I do appreciate the love and support from you guys. You all have been amazing and very wonderful as well. Remember, please make sure you hit that like button at least. It'd be greatly appreciated. It would help this channel to continue. I do once again apologize that I've been MIA, but it's just, you know, I've been going through some stuff. So I do appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a great day.